Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0989 is a diagnostic trouble code indicating a low circuit condition in the transmission fluid pressure switch E, specifically pertaining to the 6th clutch. This component plays a critical role in the operation of the transmission. It is responsible for monitoring hydraulic pressure in the system and is integral to the smooth shifting into the 6th gear. When fluid pressure is satisfactory, this switch activates, signaling the powertrain control module, PCM, to manage gear shifting. If the PCM detects an inconsistency, such as when the switch erroneously remains on while not in 6th gear, it registers this error, leading to the P0989 code being stored. This code can significantly impact vehicle performance and must be diagnosed accurately to avoid driving issues. The transmission fluid pressure switch E, 6th clutch, is installed within the hydraulic pressure circuit responsible for applying pressure to the 6th clutch of Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This switch's primary function is to relay information regarding hydraulic pressure to the PCM. When the hydraulic pressure is supplied, the switch activates, turning on the signal to the PCM, which enables a smooth transition into 6th gear. If the hydraulic pressure is insufficient and does not engage the 6th clutch, the switch remains off, causing the PCM to suspect a fault. This condition can be critical during gear changes, as improper functioning may lead to harsh shifting or potential transmission damage. The switch is typically located within the transmission assembly, where it can effectively monitor and manage hydraulic conditions. 3 potential issues may lead to DTC P0989. First, a short to ground in the OP6SW line could disrupt the normal signal transmission from the fluid pressure switch to the PCM, leading to erroneous readings. Second, the transmission fluid pressure switch itself may be stuck in the on position, causing the PCM to continuously receive a high signal and misinterpret the operational conditions of the transmission. Lastly, an internal failure within the PCM could also be to blame, wherein the PCM fails to appropriately interpret signals from various sensors. It's essential to analyze these components systematically to identify the root cause effectively. When DTC P0989 is present, several symptoms may arise. The first noticeable symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard, indicating a problem detected within the vehicle's system. Additionally, the automatic transmission, AT, gear position indicator may begin to blink, providing a visual warning to the driver that the system has detected an issue. Drivers may also experience harsh shifting during transmission changes, particularly when attempting to shift into the 6th gear, resulting in an uncomfortable driving experience. Monitoring these symptoms is crucial as they directly impact the vehicle's drivability and may indicate a need for maintenance. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine to check the system's initial response. Once the engine is running, the technician should drive the vehicle in the Drive D mode while paying close attention to the transitions between gears. The goal is to allow the vehicle to shift into the 6th gear, which is critical for observing how the transmission performs under normal driving conditions. This process can only be carried out if it is safe according to traffic rules and environmental factors. By engaging in this diagnostic approach, mechanics can establish a baseline behavior of the hydraulic pressure switch under load and ensure that any anomalies are directly observed before further diagnostics are conducted. The second troubleshooting process involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to retrieve and analyze any stored error codes. This high-tech tool provides comprehensive diagnostic data which can reveal not only DTC P0989, but also other potential trouble codes that may be affecting the vehicle. After connecting the HDS to the vehicle's OBD2 port, the technician should review the current and pending DTCs to confirm if P0989 is indeed present. This step is critical to ensure a thorough understanding of the vehicle's diagnostic status. Armed with this information, specialists gain insight into whether the suspect pressure switch or other components could be faulty. This data-driven approach is vital for adopting an accurate repair strategy. After completing necessary repairs, the final verification step is crucial to ensure that the issue has been resolved effectively. First, it's essential to clear any fault codes stored in the PCM to reset the system. Following this, the technician should conduct a test drive, replicating the same conditions under which the DTC was originally triggered. Monitoring the vehicle for proper performance, especially in shifting through the gears, is vital in this phase. The primary focus is to confirm that the transmission shifts smoothly into 6th gear without triggering a new DTC or illuminating the MIL. Successful completion of this step implies that the issue is resolved, restoring the vehicle's drivability to optimal levels. Preventive maintenance is essential in keeping the transmission system, including components associated with DTC P0989, functioning optimally. Regular checks of transmission fluid levels help ensure that the hydraulic systems receive adequate lubrication and pressure. Technicians should monitor the condition of the fluid for any signs of contamination or degradation, as this could negatively influence switch performance. Additionally, observing the vehicle's transmission performance during regular inspections can catch potential issues early. If drivers feel any unusual shifts or notice abnormal lights on the dashboard, it should be addressed immediately to prevent further complications. Adopting a proactive approach minimizes future risks and enhances vehicle longevity. In summary, DTC P0989 points to a low signal from the transmission fluid pressure switch E, linked with the 6th clutch system in the Honda Accord. Understanding its components, including the significant role of the PCM, helps in diagnosing the issue effectively. Symptoms like the MIL and harsh shifting signal that prompt action is necessary. Following systematic troubleshooting steps through initial diagnostics, code reading using the HDS, and comprehensive verification after repairs is vital to resolving the issue. Regular maintenance practices, such as monitoring fluid levels and transmission performance, should also be incorporated to sustain vehicle reliability. By adhering to these guidelines, vehicle performance can be maintained, ensuring smooth and safe driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.